A new Garmin device may be on the horizon, with recent leaks hinting at an imminent launch. Enthusiasts and industry watchers are speculating that the brand could be preparing to introduce a new model in its popular Forerunner series, potentially the Forerunner 975. Over the weekend, well-known tech and fitness site The 5K Runner identified a new filing with the Federal Communications Commission, which suggests Garmin is getting ready to unveil a fresh product. The FCC is responsible for testing and certifying electronic devices before they hit the market, ensuring they meet safety and regulatory requirements. Historically, filings with the FCC have been a strong indicator that a product is approaching release, as manufacturers must complete this step before selling their devices to consumers. Garmin's Forerunner series has remained a top choice for runners, triathletes, and endurance athletes, but it has been some time since the company introduced new models. The last major update came in 2023 with the release of the Forerunner 265 and Forerunner 965, which followed the 2022 launch of the Forerunner 255 and Forerunner 955. Given Garmin's pattern of refreshing its Forerunner lineup annually, many believe the time is right for another update. Additionally, Garmin has recently rolled out new versions of its Approach, Descent, Enduro, Phoenix, and Instinct watch series, leaving the Forerunner as one of the last remaining product lines awaiting a refresh. The latest clue comes from an FCC listing for a device labeled A04968, which Garmin registered in December 2024. Although the filing does not reveal detailed specifications, it does indicate that the company plans to release the device before the summer of 2025. This aligns with Garmin's previous launch cycles, particularly for Forerunner models, which have historically debuted in March. Industry observers, including the 5K Runner, suspect that this newly certified device could be the Forerunner 975. This potential successor to the Forerunner 965 would likely introduce enhanced performance tracking features, improved battery life, and possibly new training metrics. However, one unexpected detail in the FCC filing has raised some concerns. The document suggests that A04968 may lack support for Garmin Pay, the company's contactless payment feature. This omission seems unusual, as Garmin Pay has been a staple in high-end Forerunner models. It remains unclear whether this detail is a temporary placeholder or a sign that the upcoming watch will not include this functionality. If Garmin follows its usual schedule, an official announcement for this new device could be just a few months away. Given the consistent March launch pattern for past Forerunner models, we could see the reveal as early as spring 2025. Until then, speculation will continue, but one thing is clear: Garmin's next big launch is coming soon. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this on your feed.